This one is BMW 740 Li. We have placed a backup battery with clamp. We are going to replace its starting battery, which is placed in trunk. This one is 2012 model, and currently there is an AGM battery installed, which is 105 ampere hour. We have unbolted these ones. We are going to install this battery 95A as a replacement of this one 105A. You can see that we have placed this one. This one is hooked inside so that exhaust gases will go through this pipe and it will be ventilated outside. Just always remember that positive terminal should be clamped first and then negative terminal should be clamped after positive terminal. You can see that positive terminal is clamped tightly, negative terminal, and after that this hold on is also attached to these bolts, this one and this one. Now we are going to start this vehicle. You can see that currently vehicle is turned on and it is analyzing the battery. No faults are coming. You can see that this is an equal 14.96 start stopping. Thanks for watching wajidsons.pk. You can shop online and visit our website at www.wajidsons.pk. Thanks.